Yeah, so let's try and look at deposit requirements on this leverage, on this bonus account. So what I'm going to do is, you remember guys, I deposited, I deposit 6,000. They give me 100% bonus. It became 12,000. I again transferred 13,000. They gave me bonus to have now 38,000. So on MT4 we can use it if we don't have option for Thrive. We can use HFM because despite the leverage being 1:400, they are giving us 100% bonus, which means the leverage will, you can think of it as the leverage will now go to 1:800, hypothetically speaking, not always the case. So what I'm going to do now is try and see the margin requirements so that we know how much lot size we need to use. So on this plus icon, I'm going to put a trade of 0.01, and then I'm going to sell by the market. Yeah, so as you can see now, we have these bonus requirements, these margin requirements, sorry. So a trade of 0.01 is taking up a bonus, a margin of 361, okay? So this means that if you have 361 shillings, you can actually execute this position. Now, you can increment this. 0.1 will require 3,610 Kenya shillings. Okay, this is the minimum amount you should have in your account to place a 0.1 order. And then for you to place maybe a 0.5 order, you will need now a margin requirements of, let me just use 1 to make it easier. For you to execute a lot size of 1, you will need at least 36,100 Kenya shillings. So whenever you are using HFM, you should know these figures because they are not so friendly when it comes to leverage and margin. So what I'm going to tell you is if you have deposited, let's say 5,000 Kenya shillings, for example, okay, this account can allow you to execute maybe 0.08 because you need 2 of these positions, 2 of these pending orders, okay, or maybe 0.09 because you need 2 of these pending orders. If you have maybe 10,000 Kenya shillings in your account, this can allow you to execute maybe 0.15 for buy stop and 0.15 for sell stop. Okay, if you have maybe 20,000, you can be able to execute let's say 0. You can able to execute maybe 0.25 on buy stop and then 0.25 on sell stop. Okay, so you play around with these figures and then try to trade today with amount, and here I think you can go with that as low as 5,000 Kenya shillings. If you go any lower, then expect to lower also your leverage. If you deposit 2,000, for example, you can use a lot size of 0.04, okay, for buy stop and then also for sell stop. So you can go even way down. If you deposit maybe 1,000, you can use a deposit of 0.02 for buy stop and 0.02 on sell stop. Okay, so this can enable you to stay in the game as you push for your Thrive verification. I'll be coming in with more videos on how I can help you utilize HFM as we look forward to activating our Thrive accounts.